Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the educational rights which is in the 5th standard social science term 3 lesson also 3. Here in this lesson only the last lesson for this academic year. Okay, here the educational rights, it is very important for our life. In our India we have lot of the rules and regulations, rights, but the educational rights is the important act of our country. Here we are going to discuss the same thing, the educational rights. Why we have, then what is the purpose we have these rights. Okay, then here the educational rights. In the last videos we have discussed only the realizing of education. Listen my dear students, once upon a time in our India we have the Gurukulam. Is there we have Guru and Shishyas. Shishyas means nothing but they are the students of that Gurukulam, and Guru, they are the teacher. Okay, so this is very famous for our olden days, ancient India. And then now we are seeing the same thing, but we have some different from the Gurukulam. That is only education, educational rights. Here the first thing we are going to discuss. Every child has right to have a free and compulsory education. The Right to Education Act RTE, Right to Educational Act RTE specifies different responsibilities to the local authorities and government to ensure free and compulsory education. Free and compulsory education. Here, the Right to Education Act 2009 describes the importance of free and compulsory education. Free and compulsory education for children between the year of 6 to 14 years to 14 years of age. 6 to 14 years of age. Education should be affordable to the common people. There should be no discrimination in education. It should be based on need of child and mold the child's thoughts. The child should be at the center of an education system. So wherever the education is the very important for the child. So that is only we are going to discuss. Okay my dear students, here the small activity is there in our book. Just you can recall and write it. Here the first one, solve the buzzes. Solve the buzzes, page number 140 in your third term book, social science. I am white when I am dirty and black when I am clean. I am white when I am dirty and black when I am clean. So, who am I? Who am I? The answer is blackboard. I am white when I am dirty and black when I am clean. Who am I? Blackboard. Blackboard. Second, I am tall when I am young and I am short when I am old. I am tall when I am young. I am short when I am old. Who am I? Who am I? Pencil. I am the pencil. I am tall when I am young and I am short when I am old. Who am I? I am the pencil. I am the pencil. Here the third one. I am wet when I am drying. I am wet when I am drying. So, who am I? Who am I? I'm a towel. I'm a towel. That means duster. We are cleaning the board, no? Yes, duster. Using the clothes. So, towel. Then fourth one. I have a neck, but no head. I have a neck, but no head. Who am I? Who am I? Yes, I'm a bottle. I'm a bottle. So, these are the activities in this lesson. This is related to this lesson. Solve the puzzles. Hints is also there. The page number 140 in the third term lesson, third lesson. And here activity let us do. I'm white when I'm dry and black when I'm clean. So who am I? I'm a blackboard. I'm tall when I'm young and I'm short when I'm old. So who am I? I'm the pencil. Third one, I'm wet when I'm drying. I'm wet when I'm drying. Who am I? I'm the towel. I'm the towel. And fourth one, I have a neck but no head. I have a neck but no head. Who am I? I'm the bottle. Water bottle, flask, everything. So, these are the activities we have done in this topic.